Hello everyone, I hope you're all fine and doing just great. Today we will talk about coding, but it's coding, mathematic coding, not computer coding. So here in mathematics, now for the mean and median we did before how to find the mean median for frequency table, for group data, but today we need to find the mean by using a special code. What do I mean? Now, this is my usual form for the code. It's y equal x minus a divided by b, and a or b are to be chosen. They will be numbers. Either we will find the code or they will give us the code. It depends on the question. Now here, we can find the mean by finding the mean for this code and then plugging the mean. To find the mean of the original data, we need to find the mean of the coded data, and then we will plug the x. We will plug the x here and to find the mean for my original data. It sounds complicated, but we will take an example. So let's say I have the mean. I have the following lengths. It's 110, 120, 130, 140, and 150. So I have these data. I need to find the mean for them. Let's find first the mean as we know, the summation of x divided by summation of n, or the value of n. It's without summation, which is 110 plus 120 plus 130 plus 140 plus 150 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will be 130. Now this is the mean for my original number. Okay, now let's say we have the code. Let's say I have the code y equal x divided by 10, and I want you to find the mean for this. Let's imagine I didn't find the 130. I don't have it, and we need to find the mean by finding the mean of the code. So what we will do first, we will find the x, we'll find these data as in the code. Now my code is x divided by 10, so I will have to divide 10 for each value I have. So let's start. 110 divided by 10, it's 11, then 12, 13, 14, and then 15. Now we will find the mean of this code. Now my mean is summation of x divided by n. Which is 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 divided by 5, which is 13. Now if I want to find my original mean, now my 13 is the coded mean. It's the mean of coded data. My 13 is the mean of coded data. If I want to find my original mean, I will plug the 13 in place of the y to find the x, and my x is the mean of original data. Okay, now for my x, it's 13 multiplied by 10, which is 130, as we got it here up. So we will take another code. Okay, now I have the same numbers. Now my next code is y equal x minus 100. So first I will subtract 100 from each of the numbers that I have. So it will be 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Then I will find the mean of the coded data, which is 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 divided by 5, which is 30, and this is the mean of coded data. Now, if I want to find the mean of my original data, I will plug x. I will find the x from the y. So y equal x minus 100. The y is 30 equal x minus 100. So x is 30 plus 100, which is 130, and that's what we found earlier. So this is the mean of original data. So these are two example of different coding. Now let's take an example in a group data and see how we will solve it. Okay, now we have this example. Now these are the same as the class, but instead I wrote down the less than or greater than sign. So now we need to find the midpoint, and they gave us this code and they want us to find the mean using the code. So first we need to find the midpoint here because there is no gap. As you can see, 0, 5, then 5, 10, 10, 15, 15, 20. So because there is no gap, we will add them and divide by 2. So 0 plus 5, 5, 5 divided by 2, 2.5. Then 7.5 we will add and divide by 2 directly without finding class boundaries, because my class boundary is the same as my class, 40 and 65. Now we will plug in the x value to find my y, my coded data, -1 and 0, 1, 2. You will put 2.5 minus 7.5 divided 5, and 7.5 minus 7.5 divided 0.5, and so on till I find all my data. And here is my coded data, and this is my original data, the midpoint. Now we will find the mean. So the mean is summation fx. Now if you don't want to be confused, I will write y. I am finding the mean for the y, not for my x. So let me write summation, the y, the mean of y is summation of fy divided by summation of f, which is 4 multiplied by -1 plus 15 multiplied by 0 plus 5 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 2 plus 6.5 multiplied by 0 plus 11.5 multiplied by 1, and this is all divided by 4 plus 15 plus 5 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1, and this is all equal to 0.611111. So now I found the mean of the coded data. This is the mean of coded data. Now I want to find the mean for my original data. Let me erase these. And let's find the mean of the original data using the code. So my code is y equal x minus 7.5 divided by 5. So the mean of coded data is 0.61111. I don't want to round it because I will get a wrong value. So I will keep it like this. So now to find the x, we will multiply 5 with 0.6111 equal x minus 7.5, and then we will add 7.5. So 0.6111 multiplied by 5, I will put them in a bracket, plus 7.5 equal x. So my mean of the original data is 10.56. This is mean of original data. I am sure you're asking yourself why we are doing like this. Now see, before I have my midpoint 2.5, 7.5, they are big numbers. But after I coded, it's -1, 0, 1, so my numbers are becoming small, and now it's easy to multiply. 4 by -1, it's -4. 15, 0, it's 0, but imagine you are doing 4 multiplied by 2.5. If you're not using a calculator, the coding will be much easier to find the mean for this data. Let's take another small example. Okay, so now I have this example. So data is coded using y equal x minus 150 divided by 50. And they give me the mean of the coded data, which is 36.2. They want the mean of the original data. It's very easy. All I want to do is plug in. So my y is 36.2. It's the mean of the code, which is equal x minus 150 divided by 50. That's it. 36.2 multiplied by 50 equal x minus 150. Then I will do the same in bracket. 36.2 multiplied by 50 plus 150 equal x. So my x will be 1960. This is my original mean. This is the mean of original data. So that's it for today's video. This is what coding is doing in mathematics. I hope it was useful and I hope you understood it. If you have any issue, any question, you can ask me in the comments below and I will answer you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you soon.